If you're applying for diagnostic radiography and you're not sure where to start with your UCAS application, then this guide that I've created was written for you. So the Diagnostic Radiography UCAS application guide covers everything from your very first steps through to results day, and I want to walk you through exactly what is included. So it opens with section 1, telling you what is diagnostic radiography. So before you start to write a single word of your personal statement, you need to be able to answer that question clearly and confidently. I cover the role, the modalities, and crucially, the difference between diagnostic and therapeutic radiography, which is one of the most common interview questions and one of the most common points of confusion. In the next section, I cover UCAS application itself, so the key dates, the timeline from year 12 through to results day at the end of year 13, and the entry requirements that you need to be aware of across different qualification types. In section 3, I talk about choosing your universities, what is actually good to look for in a radiography programme, questions to ask at open days, and how to make sure the 5 choices that you make are the right ones for you. In section 4, I cover work experience. So what kind of experience are universities looking for? What do they want to see? How to arrange a placement in a radiology department if you don't know where to start with that. And how to reflect on it meaningfully so that it really strengthens your application. In section 5, I have a specialist section on the personal statement itself, and this is where I go into real detail. I cover what to include, a clear paragraph by paragraph structure that works, and common mistakes that I saw again and again as a university lecturer reviewing applications. The opening lines that immediately weaken a statement, the content errors that hold strong applicants back, and how to make your statement sound like you. So in section 6, I then cover the university interview. So formats, what your interviewers are looking for, a full bank of common questions across motivation, work experience, values, and self-reflection, and how to structure your answers using the STAR method. Section 7, this covers what happens after your interview. So understanding your offers, how to make your firm and your insurance choices, and what to do if things don't quite go to plan. And finally, there's a bonus application checklist, so a complete year 12 and year 13 timeline, so you know exactly what you are doing and when, from the very first open day through to starting your course. So the guide itself is $12.99 and it's available as an instant digital download. The link is in the description below. And if you'd like personalised one-to-one support on top of this, I do that. So if you would like some help with personal statement reviewing, interview preparation and application guidance, you can book directly through the link in my bio. This is everything that I use to teach my own students, now in one place for you. If you'd like more help, then please just subscribe to my channel and have a watch of the rest of my videos.